Here I am, down on the floor, down on my knees, cracked open and empty, disconnected and blunted, trying to dig out the pieces of the old me who is irreversibly gone. But was it me at all? Wasn't it a fake or maybe a protective mask which doesn't stick on my face any longer? Worn out, not feeling right anymore. Could there be a better place for connecting to the real me right now? Hasn't it been my deepest dream and wish to be thrown out of my comfort zone, to be shaken to the bones, to land in a place where any possible distraction doesn't work anymore? What if my deepest prayer has been heard? What if I've been led towards my real me, whose love has been always here and now, beyond enoughness and appreciation, setting me free, me and you? The universe, the God knows, I am at the doorstep. He's whispering in my ears gently, lie down, my love. Close your eyes and keep them closed to enter your inner landscape, the place of harmony and peace. Let the earth carry your beautiful body. Feel the support of Mother Earth underneath you. She has always been here, taking care of you. Feel your body touching the earth, your feet. Inhale deeply and clench your feet for a moment. And then with an exhale, release. And then take a deep breath again and tense your legs. Hold the tension for a moment. And then exhale and release. Inhale and tense your buttocks and your belly. Send them your awareness. And with the exhale, let them fall towards the earth again. And then clench your hands into fists. Inhale. Be fully present. And with the exhale, open your hands again to receive and relax. And then take a deep breath again. Tense all the muscles in your belly and your body, in your face, the whole body. And with the exhale, let your body melt into the ground, being held and supported. And then take some deep breaths in and out. And with every exhale, let your body fully relax, feeling calm and still. Connect to your breath as it comes and goes, as your friend, as your best friend, as a gift from the source to keep you alive, as a proof it is not a coincidence you are here and now. Take some breaths Your body is relaxed. Feel your relaxed body melting down to the ground. Could there be a better time for you to connect to the place in you which is divine, where you are at peace and in harmony? Just listen and trust. You are fully awake at this moment, ready to connect to you, your true nature, your source. Be aware of the sounds around you, from outside, from far away. Sounds around you here, in this space. And finally the sounds of you in your body, your breath, your heartbeat. Visualize your room, your body lying on the floor, surrounded all over in a white healing light, protecting you, keeping you safe and at peace. Sense your body touching the floor, being more and more relaxed. With every exhale, surrendering yourself to the earth, right here, right now. And at this moment, you make an intention, your own short statement about yourself at this moment. Something which is here already, which has been purging out of you, and maybe even if you still are not able to see it, it is here. A very simple statement, something like, I am fine, I'm okay as I am right now, I am protected, supported, carried. I am exactly as I am meant to be. No big words needed. Just try to feel the ease and calm of the present moment. Being anchored in my voice and being anchored in your breath. Just listen effortlessly to you, to your inner voice, and pick up one of the statements which resonates with you and repeat it mentally for you for 3 times right now. I am. I am. I am. Let's give some loving awareness to your body, your right hand thumb, second finger, third, fourth, fifth finger, wrist, forearm, right elbow, upper arm, right armpit, shoulder, right chest, waist, hip, right thigh, knee, shin, right ankle, top of the right foot, sole, big toe, second toe, third, fourth, fifth toe, your left hand thumb, second finger, third, fourth, fifth finger, wrist, forearm, left elbow, upper arm, left armpit, shoulder, left chest, waist, hip, left thigh, knee, shin, left ankle, top of the left foot, sole, big toe, second toe, third, fourth, fifth toe. Be aware of your heels, your calves, right knee, left knee, right thigh, left thigh, buttocks, lower back, middle back, upper back, back of your neck, back of your head, top of your head, forehead, right eyebrow, left eyebrow, right eye, left eye, right ear, left ear, right cheek, left cheek, nose, top of the nose, nostrils, upper lip, lower lip, jaws, tongue, teeth, chin, throat, right chest, left chest, middle of the chest, abdomen, navel, the whole right leg, the whole left leg, both legs together, right arm, left arm, both arms together, whole back, the whole abdomen and chest, and the whole body together. You are awake and aware. Aware of your breath. Feel the flow of your breath in and out of your lungs. Don't change anything, just observe. The breath flows through your whole being. Observe it at the navel, the movements of the navel as you inhale and exhale. And another breath. And another. The breath at your chest, your heart. See as the chest expands as you inhale and drops as you exhale. Again. And again. Your throat, your breath moving the throat, moving in and out. And your nostrils, the gates for the breath to come in and out. As coming in, it's energizing your body, and going out, it's relaxing and releasing. And now in your memory, try to recollect feeling of being home in yourself, being connected, guided, protected. Maybe you remember a time or a moment when you felt at peace, light, joyful, deep down, where you just flew effortlessly. Or maybe you can just imagine such a state of being, state where you have surrendered. You are exactly where you are meant to be right now. How does it feel to be connected, guided, light, and peaceful, with no thoughts? Are you able to feel this inner joy and peace? Maybe in your chest, in your heart, your belly. Imagine or remember a moment when you feel the sun even inside of you, like in a warm summer evening when the sun is setting down and you feel warm breeze around your body, and the peace in and around you. Just breathe in and feel this deep peace and love spreading throughout your body, in every cell of your being. With every inhale, you feel the love and protection. And with every exhale, you feel the peace. Nothing to do, nowhere to go. Just being here and now in harmony with the invisible force telling you you are wanted and loved exactly as you are right now. And take another breath in. And as you exhale, feel the gratitude and peace. And with another exhale, just let be, relax, let go. And now try to imagine a moment where you are not able to feel yourself and others, when you are completely disconnected from the source, fearful and alone, your belly holding this fear and worries. You just feel this void and emptiness, feeling heavy. These emotions, just emotions, accept them. There is no need to put anything, to push anything away, no resistance. Just feel what you feel. The pain. How is your breath? How do you feel? Take a deep breath in, and with the exhale, release and let go. Inhale and let be, let go. And now come back to your source, to the peace within, the connection, stillness. Again, you are able to connect and feel these emotions, inner joy, peace, love. Just emotions. Accept them. Feel them. And then take a deep breath in and release. Inhale and let be free. Bring your awareness to your heart center and remember your intention, the same you made at the beginning. Maybe you can feel it a little bit more clear, manifesting in your life. Or maybe you need to repeat it again, mentally for yourself. Again for 3 times. Now, I am. Connected to the divine, to your true nature, through your breath. Observe your natural breathing. Observe the breath coming into your nostrils and moving your body and going out. Be aware of your body lying on the floor, your arms and legs, your head, the whole body, your precious, beautiful body lying on the floor in this space. Can you be aware of some noises around you, near you, and some more away from you, from far away? We've been practicing Yoga Nidra together to connect to ourselves, our true nature, to who we really are. You gave yourself some precious time to connect, to be with you and your divine source. And then let's deepen the breath, the connection. Coming back in your body. Making some gentle movements, or maybe some stretches you need right now. Take your time and slowly come back. You might stay lying on the floor for some more time, or you come to a sitting position. Whatever your body tells you now. Thank yourself for showing up, for being here with you, for connecting to your inner self, your peace and love. And remember, they have always been here. They are parts of you. You are right as you are. You are peace and love. Namaste.